parents, nobody wants our children to stay at home forever, but it has to be a collective responsibility which is made by everybody, the parents, the stakeholders, government, and what have you. In terms of the examination timetable, there are no changes because, like I said, we are not planning for now to shut down because of the COVID. If that time comes, we shall tell you. So for now, the timetable for examination remains, and the children should be urged to continue to prepare. My plea to those parents, and I feel them, there are some who are retrenched and there are some who lost earnings. But there are also a few who can come up and top up the fees they paid. Because they can do so, they can afford to do so, I'm appealing to them to come and support the schools so that we keep the children in school and plan to open. Like I said, plan to open. We are going to meet as stakeholders soon and also as government. And when the time comes, we may perhaps be bold enough, if we have a consensus, to tell you when the rest of the schools shall be open.